How to use temporary email address, which is Temp Mail. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, go to Google and search Temp Mail. Click on the first link that pops up, which is the official Temp Mail website. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, you'll find a new email address you can use, which is temporary. You can simply copy the email address and use it. If you don't like the email address name, you can simply click on change and it will be changed. Or you can simply refresh it for a new email address. You can also delete it by clicking on delete after you have used the mail. And this is how to use Temp Mail. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.